Easiest way to cut and sew a full circle skirt for any size. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be on how to cut and sew a full circle skirt, and I'll be giving you the easiest method on how to do that. Now the first thing you will need is your fabric. I have about 2 yards here. Then I have a 1-inch elastic band. Now the next thing I'll go ahead and do is to fold our fabric. So watch carefully how I'm going to do that. So right here, I'm just opening up our fabric here, and I'll make it to face the wrong side, just like this. I hope you can see. Now I folded it into 2 equal parts. I hope you can see the way I folded it, 2 equal parts. And I'll further fold it again. That is, it's now folded into 4 equal parts. I hope you are watching carefully. So I'm gonna head now to fold it. After folding it into 4 equal parts like this, I'll take the side that all 4 sides are folded like this part here, and we'll go ahead and fold it in a triangular form like this. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Now I'll also take this part that all 4 sides are also folded, and I'll also place it like this. So you can see it's having that triangular shape after we did this. I hope you can see, guys. Now you can go ahead and use your pin to pin it down so that it doesn't go out of place when you're taking your measurements. Now I'm gonna head to pin mine, and now I'll take my measurement. So what I'm going to do is, the round waist measurement I'm using is 30 inches. I'll add extra 2 inches for ease. That is 32 inches. Now I'll be dividing it by 6.28. Now when I did mine, I got about 5.09. So I just made it 5.1. So what I'm just marking here, from that tip there all the way to 5.1. So do go ahead, take your round waist measurement. Whatever you get, add 2 inches to it, then divide it by 6.28. I hope you understand. Now guys, I'm just done marking what I just got, that 5.1 all around that part there. Now the next thing I'll go ahead and do is to bring my tape. I'll be placing it on this point here, that point we marked there, and I'll go over to take my full length. So the full length of this skirt I'm making, I want it to be about 16 inches. So I'll add extra 1 inch, and that what I'll be to mark now is 17 inches. Make sure you place your tape from that point that you marked. Don't place it all the way from the top. So don't forget that. So I'm just marking 17 inches all around. I hope you see where I'm doing that. So go ahead, and whatever length you want, go ahead and just mark it. So if you want yours to be longer than this, what you have to do is to get more fabric. I hope you understand what I mean. So guys, I'm just marking 17 inches all around this. I hope you can see the way I'm doing this. So after marking that, I just connected all those points I marked together. Now I'll go ahead and just cut this out. So I'll be cutting this top one first before the down one. So guys, if you have watched this video to this point, do well to subscribe to my channel so that you can be able to receive more easy sewing tutorials like this. And don't forget to also turn on your notifications so that you'll be among the first to be notified whenever I upload new amazing sewing tutorials. So guys, I'm done cutting those 2 ends. I hope you see the way I cut it. Now I'll go ahead and remove the pins I used to pin this down, and we'll go ahead to open it. Now see where I opened it here. I'll just notch those 2 points there. Why I'm notching it is so that we're going to place our band properly, so that it just aligns properly, our band. So I'll notch those 2 points there. After notching it, the next thing I'll go ahead and do is to just place it like this. I hope you see where I'm placing it. Now after placing it like this, the next thing I'll do is to bring our band. Now to determine the length of the band they are going to cut, what you have to do is first of all measure out this part here, because that's what we are going to use to cut out our band. So when I measured it, what I got was 16.5 inch. What I went ahead to do is to cut out a band of 34 inches. That is, I went ahead to add extra 1 inch. Now you see the band here, the width is 2 inches when on fold, but when you open it up, it is 4 inches. So let me just show you so that you can be sure of the measurements. Here I've opened it up, and you can see it's 4 inches. Now I'll just measure the length so that you can also see the length of what we are making. I hope you can see. So I've measured it right now, and you can see it's 34 inches. I added extra 1 inch to that, because our main measurement for our skirt band was 33. So plus 1 inch, that 1 inch, now I've used 1 inch to stitch the band. And now I'll go ahead now. You can go ahead and iron this part if you want. See that? Then I'll go ahead and fold this into 2 equal parts like this. So our band becomes 2 inches again for the width, because this now is on fold. I hope you can understand what I mean. So please guys, watch carefully. Even if you don't really understand what I'm saying, just watch at what I'm doing. Now I've turned our skirt to the right part here, and I'll go ahead and place our band on it. Hope you can see. So I've placed the band here. I'll place it on that part we notched, and I'll start pinning it down all around till we go to the other parts. I hope you understand. So see the way I'm pinning it, go ahead and just follow exactly the same way and pin yours down just like this. So make sure you are doing this carefully. So guys, if you know someone this video will be helpful to, do well to share this video to them so that they can learn something new today. Guys, I'm done pinning it down and this is what it looks like. Right now, the next thing I have to do is to go over to my sewing machine and stitch using 1/2 inch. I'll stitch the band around our skirt all around. So guys, this is it here. After I was done stitching, you can see how neat it's looking like. Now, I didn't stitch everything. I left about 1.5 inch because that is where we are going to use to put our elastic band inside our band casing. So guys, I hope you are enjoying this full circle skirt tutorial. If you are enjoying it, please do well to like this video. Now guys, I'll go ahead now and use my safety pin to pass this inside the band casing just like this. So I'll use that hole we left, that 1.5 inch hole, to just do that. And make sure you're careful when you're putting this band inside this casing so that it doesn't twist and your band doesn't look funny when you are done sewing your skirt. So make sure you do this carefully. So please guys, and to know the amount of band you have to cut out, what you have to do is your round waist measurement. I told you mine was about 30. I went ahead to minus 4 inches from it. So you can also minus 5 inches if you want. Now this is where I'm going to sew it like this. I'll go ahead and stitch it very well using my sewing machine. Now I'm done stitching it. I've put the band inside and I've also closed that 1.5 inch that we left. Now the next thing I'll do is to fold this down part, or you can go ahead and weave it. And that is all in the making of this full circle skirt. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video to someone who you think will find this helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to receive more amazing tutorials like this. That is all for today's video. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.